Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer health benefits on the host. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn supports various bodily functions, including digestion, immune response, and even mental health. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet can help you harness these benefits. Here are 7 foods that are excellent sources of probiotics and how they benefit your body. 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is one of the most popular and widely consumed probiotic foods. Made from milk fermented by beneficial bacteria, primarily Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, yogurt is rich in calcium, protein, and vitamins. The probiotics in yogurt can improve digestion, enhance the immune system, and may even alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Additionally, consuming yogurt regularly can help restore the balance of gut flora after antibiotic treatment. 2. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that contains a diverse range of probiotic bacteria and yeast. This tangy, slightly fizzy beverage is known for its high probiotic content, including strains like Lactobacillus kefir. Kefir not only supports a healthy digestive system but also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It's also rich in calcium, protein, and vitamins B12 and K2, contributing to overall health and well-being. 3. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, made from fermented cabbage, is a traditional German dish that is rich in probiotics, particularly Lactobacillus plantarum. This fermented vegetable is high in fiber, vitamin C and K, and iron. The probiotics in sauerkraut can enhance gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria, improving digestion, and boosting the immune system. Additionally, the high fiber content aids in maintaining regular bowel movements. 4. Kimchi. Kimchi is a staple in Korean cuisine, made from fermented vegetables such as cabbage and radishes, seasoned with chili pepper, garlic, ginger, and salt. It is a potent source of probiotics, mainly Lactobacillus kimchii. Kimchi is known for its ability to improve gut health, enhance immune function, and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. It's also rich in vitamins A, B, and C, contributing to overall nutritional intake. 5. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea drink that has gained popularity for its probiotic content and health benefits. Made by fermenting sweetened black or green tea with a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast SCOBY, kombucha contains various probiotic strains. Regular consumption of kombucha can aid digestion, support liver health, and improve energy levels. It also contains antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. 6. Miso. Miso is a traditional Japanese seasoning made by fermenting soybeans with salt and a type of fungus called koji. This paste is commonly used in soups, sauces, and marinades. Miso is rich in probiotics, particularly strains like Tetragenococcus haemophilus. These beneficial bacteria can support gut health, enhance immune function, and provide anti-inflammatory effects. Miso is also a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it a nutritious addition to your diet. 7. Tempeh. Tempeh is a fermented soybean product originating from Indonesia. It has a firm texture and a nutty flavor, making it a versatile ingredient in various dishes. The fermentation process introduces probiotics, primarily Rhizopus oligosporus. Tempeh is an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, including calcium and magnesium. The probiotics in tempeh can improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and support overall gut health. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet is a natural and effective way to support your digestive health, boost your immune system, and improve your overall well-being. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, miso, and tempeh offer a variety of beneficial bacteria that can help maintain a balanced gut microbiome. By enjoying these delicious and nutritious foods, you can harness the power of probiotics to promote a healthier and happier you.